In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set automation email in Email Octopus. To get started, log into your Email Octopus account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Automations. This is where you'll create and manage automated email workflows. From there, click Create to begin a new automation. Email Octopus will give you the option to start from scratch or use a template. If you already know exactly how you want your workflow to behave, starting from scratch gives you full control. If you want a faster setup, a template can be a helpful starting point. After choosing one of those options, enter a name for your automation so it's easy to recognize later. Next, select the email list this automation should be connected to. This is important because the list determines which contacts can enter the workflow. You'll also choose whether contacts are allowed to repeat the automation if that applies to your use case. In most cases, you'll want to leave open tracking and click tracking enabled so you can monitor how your emails are performing. Then click Next to continue. Now choose the trigger that will start the automation. For example, you might use contact added, tag added, or another trigger depending on your goal. After that, configure any trigger settings available, such as whether imported contacts should also enter the automation. Once everything looks right, click Finish Setup. At this point, you'll start building the actual workflow. Click the plus button to add the next step, then choose Email as the action. Click the Send Email block, and now you can set up the message details. Enter an internal email name for your own reference, choose the sender email address and sender name, type your subject line, and add preview text if you want to give subscribers a quick summary before they open the email. Then click Save and Next. You'll now choose a template or start with a blank layout. Use the drag and drop editor to design your email, adding text, images, buttons, and personalization fields as needed. When you're happy with the design, click Save and Close. If you want to space out messages in a sequence, you can optionally add a wait step. You can also add more email, condition, or action steps if you want to build a more advanced automation. Before turning it on, review the full workflow carefully to make sure every step is configured correctly. Once everything is ready, click Start to activate the automation. From that point on, any new contact who meets your selected trigger will automatically enter the workflow and receive your emails based on the settings you've created.